Today I am going to discuss about molecular organization of chromosome. The chromosome, which prominently visible under the microscope at metaphase stage of meiosis. When it present in undividing or non-dividing stage in nucleus, they look like a narrow thread-like structure, which is known as chromatin fiber. Its diameter about 11 to 20 micromillimeter. These chromatin fibers are the elementary unit of chromosome. When it goes to the metaphase stage, its diameter is 1400 micromillimeter. So you think how much it is condensed. This chromatin fibers is made up of two components. One is histone proteins and another part is DNA duplex. These histone proteins are the basic proteins because it is made up of some basic amino acids like lysine, arginine, histidine, etc. The histone proteins and these DNA duplex are electrostatically associated. How this association takes place? Association takes place between positive charge of histones and negative charge of phosphate group of DNA. Then they form a electrostatic association. As a result, it provides a stability and flexibility of DNA. The molecular organization of this chromatin fiber was described by Outdate in 1975. Now we discuss the Outdate concept, which is known as nucleosome concept. According to his concept, the chromatin fibers look like a beads on a string, and these beads on a string, it is in chromatin fibers look like that, a string on which a small beads are present. These beads are known as nucleosome. So its concept is known as nucleosome concept. How these beads is made? This nucleosome is made by histone and DNA. Histone, here in nucleosome, histones are 5 types: H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. 5 types are H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Among these 5, 4 are present in twice and form a histone octamer. This octamer is coiled by a DNA duplex. This DNA is rounded, this octamer 1 and 3/4 round. 1 and 3/4 round. This part of DNA is known as core DNA, and this octamer form a core particle. This form is core particle, and this DNA is core DNA, which is coiled this nucleosome. And in between the two nucleosomes, the part of DNA is known as linker DNA. The length of this core DNA is about 146 base pair, whereas in linker DNA length varies from species to species about 0 to 80 base pair. And this H1 protein is present in this on this linker DNA. If as you assume that one ball is string by a, suppose you are tying up a ball with a thread and if you don't put a knot at the end, the thread will be released. Like that, the core particle, that is histone proteins particle, is rounded up by this core DNA. At the end of this thread is holded by this H1 protein. This is the main structure of nucleosome. This is described by the outdate. Now, how this nucleosome is packaged inside the chromosome. This is known as packaging of this nucleosome. The diameter of this nucleosome, which look like beads on a string or chromatin fibers in a non-dividing cell, is 11 micromillimeter. When this package, that is how it is packaged, it is become coil and coil and forming a condensed structure. This is clearly seen under microscope at metaphase plate. This diameter is 1400 micromillimeter. First, it is this chromatin 11 micromillimeter diameter chromatin first coiled up and is diameter about 30 micromillimeter. After that, it becomes coil and supercoil, and this diameter about 300 micromillimeter. Again, it is supercoiled and become condensed to form a 700 micromillimeter, and this coiling is, there is a form, a structure is the scaffold like structure is produced. Scaffold structure again become is condensed and form this metaphase structure. So this thread is become coil and coil to form this metaphase chromosome like structure. This is all about the molecular organization of the chromosome and the chromosome packaging. Complete.